Even with AI tools everywhere you look, most people fail as beginners doing affiliate marketing because they don't have a simple plan. But with this plan, all you need is Clickbank plus AI. Check this out. Inside of Notebook LM, I've loaded up a set of sources here that are done for you that have recurring commissions baked into these products that solve real problems for people over at Clickbank. Also, I have created this framework for you that allows you to understand exactly what you need to do step by step with a complete breakdown. But all you have to do is load it up into Notebook LM, ask it a simple question, give me a product to promote that I could make short videos and post on Instagram about to earn recurring commissions in the relationship niche. All right. It's going to give you everything that you need to include the information that you need to know to promote the product, in this case, his secret obsession. It's going to lay out everything you need to understand and know about the product. Also, right here inside the AI, because you've loaded up all these sources that are done for you, the AI is going to give you the affiliate links and the links to the resources pages that you need to understand. Then you simply just need to take this information and move to the next part of letting the AI, in this case, free Google AI, starting with Google Notebook LM and these trusted sources with the ClickBank data that you need, as well as the step-by-step guide that I've created that breaks it down section by section with a complete strategy. You take that over to Google Gemini, you load up that Google Doc that I'm going to give you, and I'm going to show you in a second where to get these sources and this Google Doc, and you feed it the strategy that Notebook LM gave you, and then it breaks down step by step a complete checklist of exactly what you need to do. You just follow through with this checklist, and then you understand that you find an Instagram profile, which we go back now to this simple plan, and we understand that we have ClickBank and AI, and we check that off. Now we need to check off the fact that we need to create Instagram reels. You go back to Google Gemini, and it tells you how to build your profile, how to build your bio, and it tells you everything that you need to know to take action with this simple plan over at Instagram, to include the AI is going to give you keywords that you need to search for. It's also going to give you exactly what you need to know down here to actually create the videos in your feed. It's going to give you a prompt to create these Instagram reels. So now we have ClickBank and AI has done all this research for us with the resources that you can get. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over. There's a video here that's going to show you the bonus that I'm giving for this product, which is called Affiliate Rebuild Riches, which is going to give you these sources, all this source information, these PDFs that break down these recurring revenue, or these products that have recurring revenue or rebills, and you only need to promote them once with this bonus guide that you load here that gives you the step-by-step guide that you've taken over to Gemini, that's now giving you this step-by-step, or giving you inside of the step-by-step plan the prompt that you're now going to take over to InVideo and create this short video that we're going to take a look at right now.
If you're tired of guessing his feelings, then you need this tip. Men withdraw because of stress or fear. Want him to feel truly connected to you? Try this simple trick and unlock deeper intimacy.
That is going to work just like what you see over at Instagram when you search for relationship advice. And remember, all this information came here from the Google Gemini, the free Google Gemini, the AI that broke down and gave you what you should be searching for to build out your profile, which is relationship advice. You take a look at all of these posts, click on this one, take a look at this profile, simply head over to that profile, look at their reels that are getting millions of views that people are then going to click here in their links in their bio. And in your case, this is going to be the link in the bio, or the link in your bio is going to be to the Clickbank offer. You're getting all this step by step here inside of Google Gemini, the free AI, based on this Google Doc that is the bonus that I'm giving you, the link in the description that I'm giving you for picking up these done for you resources that are going to identify the exact offers that work perfectly for this step by step plan as a beginner to use Clickbank and AI to build Instagram reels and to ultimately start earning affiliate commissions. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps, link in the description. Grab these done for you resources and my bonus to these done for you resources that allow you to pick an offer that you only have to promote once, and then you're going to earn reoccurring commissions on these rebills because people are going to pay monthly to stay in these programs because you're helping them solve a real problem. And you're doing that with a simple step-by-step plan. All you need to add is a little bit of follow through. And it starts with checking out this product and my bonus to utilize the AI to build out this simple system that builds a real profitable online business, starting by promoting products over at Clickbank. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.